I don't know if we're back. I don't know anymore. Stupid internet. I hate Comcast. I hate myself for forgetting to change settings. Uh, that's the way life goes. My internet went out and I had forgotten to change the setting on the stream to where it doesn't kill it if the internet goes out. I don't know why that's not a default setting on YouTube. Okay, let's try this again now that I lost my entire audience. I had an internet blip overnight. I thought it was over. I didn't have any problems this morning since I've been awake, and so we did come down here a little bit, but still bouncing off that 100 EMA. Okay. Okay, let's delete this. Delete tweet, yes. And now, come on. I'm thinking coming down, Burl, but it's hard to tell anymore. I'm thinking down. Or at least at the open. I think there's going to be a reaction to that news from yesterday. And but we shall see. Trying to get everything, all the social media stuff now. The links are all screwed up. Thank you for rejoining me. Give me a minute to get everything fixed back up here. Okay. There we go. NQ still trying to come down here, but running into those bands, we need to see it bend those bands. We need to see it be a band bender. As it's sitting right on that 100 EMA as well. I gotta remember to set up the where it turn off the enable auto stop just in case I have an internet blip. If I turn off the enable auto stop, stream will continue going until my internet comes back. That was only like a quick 30-second blip, but enough to knock me off the stream. So it looks like it wants to come down. It's sitting right on that. Right on that. Uh, band right on that 100. Let's see. It logged me out. No, it did not log me out of Tradovate. Hey, usually an internet blip logs me out of Tradovate. Let's see if NinjaTrader's still also connected. like it is. So, hey, popping back up here now. Thank everyone for rejoining me. I lost about half the crowd. Ultra Bond, I wonder if JC got out of that trade in profit, came back down after that quick move back up to 10. Hopefully he got some profit out of that before it came back down. Hopefully he finds his way back to the stream. Welcome back. A little welcome back, Connor. Crude oil up to 82. You see we're bouncing here on NQ. Yes. Now we wait again. Now purple candle here, 20 seconds on it. It's I need to see it break that 100 EMA, I think. Maybe. I don't know. It's rubbing right against the bands. Yeah. See the bounce there. Wow, big bounce. I like big bounces and I cannot lie. Coming right back down. Dow. Yeah, now we're red. I'm not logged in here. Yeah, so, where am I logged in supposedly? Telling me I can't log in because of a concurrent connection, but I'm not connected anywhere. Oh, that's where. Try that again. Went short on 2 micros. Okay, it was a mistake. It's trying to bounce right back up. gonna stop the top of this candle here, purple candle. So it's about a 13-point stop, 12 and a half. Oh, here, come back down. Back to my entry. So let's see. I did get in late, I think. I mean, about a point late. What happens here? Should have took the ES. ES is coming down nicely. About a point and a half down. Welcome back, anybody that left, because after my stream got cut. Feel free to join in the chat. So we killed the conversation. There we go. We're in profit now. Pushing down. Rubbing right against the bands on that 1-minute chart. So we might still have some resistance here. Or support, or whatever you want to call it. We're about halfway to target, but it's come back. See, it continues to grind down those bands on the 1 and actually we're grinding down on the 5 as well. Hey, Robin, good to see you. How you doing today? There we go. Nice push down. We were already being at a nice target on ES, but NQ's being a little stubborn. I'm doing all right. We're looking for, I can't even see it. 672.75 for a target here. And our target's hit. So there we go, our first win of the day. I was hesitant to take that trade because of where it was with the bands, but obviously it's working. It looks like we're coming down now. Since that news catalyst, we'll have to see where we go into the bell. We're about 55 minutes away from the bell. And we'll get some more drawdown on this account. This Blue Sky account was about $200 in drawdown left a couple days ago. We're up to 425 now. Cautious trading. as we sit here and just wait for our next entry now. I mean, obviously, this is still coming down. We could have got more out of this, and one day, we will. One of my struggles is figuring out exits. So one day, I'll be able to do more than one contract. Well, I mean, I did two micros there, but I'm talking minis, where I can get out with one and just kind of let the other go to break even and decide whether or not, we can get more or if it comes back to me, whatever. One of the worst feelings for me is if a trade goes into a good amount of profit and then comes all the way back. I think that feeling gives me a worse feeling than just a straight loss. Enter traded and it just was bad. It was a bad trade. It just went right to stop or whatever. As you can see, we continue to go down. So we've gone 6 more points since I've gotten out. But we'll be ready for the next one. Of course, this, if I had gone in with a mini, it probably wouldn't have done this. Oh, kidding, but we're getting it. Been very good trading the last few days. I feel like I'm seeing things better again. And we're continuing to push down. Eventually I want to be able to catch these bigger moves like this. So, that's my entry here. This is going down 20 points. So I could have got, 20 instead of 10. Hey, Antonio. Good morning. Welcome. And welcome, Gonzi PKR, person who just said they're on the Earn to Trade Discord that they're watching. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. Little bounce, yeah. See how we're doing on other things. So gold made a new low a day. Ultravon dropping like a rock. Is that a 129.19? I gotta see something. Warning, very ugly looking chart. Oh, it's not an ugly looking chart. Oh, that's right. Let's just go back to the 5 minute, 15 minute. Let's go down here. Daily chart. So we're here. We have not been this low in the Ultravon since last November, November 10th, 2022. As it continues to fall. Crude oil is kind of choppy. Copper's at its low a day. Coming down pretty much all night long. Thank everyone for joining me today and rejoining me since my first stream got cut because of a little internet blip. Always remember to feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. We had a decent chat going before the internet blip caused the death. Now we're kind of slow. Slow. Hey, Mundo. Welcome. Glad to have you. Did you... Oh, I see it. Hold on. A sec while I take a gander at it. Yep, I'm looking at it now. Nice. Looks like a great trade. Good job. Yeah. So, how much profit did you end up there? And that was only 2 micros, right? Excellent. Excellent. Little bounce here. Got down to 660. Bounced back up to 672. You're going to get there. How long have you been trading? Nice. Very nice. Well, bouncing up here back up to 674. Yes, at 45.71. I've been doing this about a little over 2 years now. Your bond's looking like it's trying to bounce. Daily chart, you see, we got ES got up to that 20 EMA on the hourly chart, not daily chart. Hourly chart. Now bouncing back down. Oh, a little less than 45 minutes till the opening bell. See where the market takes us. See how big the big hedge funds and firms and all that got scared by yesterday's news about the credit rating decrease. No other news catalysts this morning unless you're a crude trader. Crude oil inventories at 10:30 Eastern. We're back up to 681, so just like that, gain a lot of that move down back. ES not popping up as strong, and the Dow's continuing to fall. It's under 35,600 now. Gold with a decent bounce. And Ultra Bond got down to 129.16, bounced all the way back up to 129.28. That was a good bounce. And back up to that 120. You see the 100 and the 20 EMAs are kind of intertwining there, knotting themselves up. Big move back up. It's back above those moving averages. So I guess I decided the news wasn't so bad after all. We hate this news. Oh wait, well maybe we like it instead. Market is bipolar. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream or expect to enjoy today's stream, I would appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the so the YouTube algorithm knows you like me or they like me. I'm glad. Thank you, Munda. Nearing 1,500 subscribers. He's trying to move up here. 2 minutes to go in this candle. It might be a trigger candle for me. back up to just under 15,700 that quick. The high of the recent morning is 15,719. Obviously, the high of the day much higher. Up at 789. Rebounded from that huge gap down at the evening open there up to 789. Then fell like a rock. Like a rock. I pulled back here a bit here as we get toward the close of this candle. Big, big pullback actually. Run, ace. Got about 35 minutes. So got up to back up to 99, 699, and now pulling back again. The Dow popped up nicely there by 30 points. It's running into its 100 EMA, and ES popped up as well. Ultra bonds still falling here, so had that little bit of a move up and then right back down. Crude oil, the energies market's open here in just a couple minutes. Let's see where it goes after that. It's hanging right on that 100 EMA right now. Gold trying to rebound nicely. All right, copper. Agriculture overnight. Looks like it was a down night for the ag. It doesn't look like the right contract on soybean oil. I wonder what's up with that. Let's go to ZL. Yeah, that looks better. Mundo, do you just trade NQ or MNQ, or do you trade other things as well? Purple candle here, coming back down. I might be interested. 2 minutes to go in this candle. Down, up, or down, up, down? That's the question we ask. Waiting for our next entry. Trying to see whether or not we want to take this move down here on M&Q. Right now, it's kind of playing with me. Then we're purple candle. So we approach the top of the hour. We're hanging right around VWAP. 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 The 12.5 point candle here. We're short again on M&Q. It popped down, but popping back up. We got in about 1.5 points of slippage. Let's see if it comes down for us. Hey, Jay. How's everything going? So you can see my trade there at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Nice move here. Looking for 668.5. It's about 2 points from my target. Now 3 points from my target. Wow, it pulls back up a bit. Got within a point of my target, now coming back up. Russell sending a short signal. Oop. That, are you serious? There we go. Target hit, so we're 2 for 2 in the morning now. Again, wish I had taken a micro there. Week's been okay so far, Jay. Building up some drawdown on this Blue Sky account. 2 for 2 on the morning. Small wins, but wins nonetheless. We're up $73.04 using 2 micros, which means if I had decided to just, use minis there instead, would be up like, I don't know, close to 400 bucks. But that's okay. We're building up the drawdown so we can have a little bit more room to play. Did crude do its open? Crude dumping. We saw this move come down. It tried to come up. It could not get back up through these moving averages. And you can even add VWAP to that. You can see it failed off all 3 lines, which gave me that setup to move down. Took it, and it gave me the nice 10 points. I want to continue down and get through this where it stopped earlier. Got down to 660 earlier. We're at 666 now. Hey, John. Yep. Yes, the Phillies are going to a 6-man rotation. Hope that prospect works out well for you guys. Popping back up here, can knock it back down to that 660. ES still coming down though. Again, ES would have been the better trade of these each time. John, what did you think of Erod declining that trade to the Dodgers? Hey, Ace, you already back from your run? Or didn't you run yet today? Cool, cool. Trying to come back down now. 45.68 on ES and 15.669 right now on NQ. Man. Yep, there we go. Now it's moving down. Love hearing your stories, Ace. Again, this could have got more out of this move second time today, but that's what I struggle with. Well, fun. Gee, I agree. Just why I guess the market came down. Welcome back. You didn't step in it, did you, G? I mean, did you, Ace? Mm. Oh, oh, that's horrible, Ace. Good. But still, that had to be a mess. Okay, so the question is, Ace, are those stairs and hallway and all carpeted or not carpeted? Ah, goodness, yeah, the vacuum's probably like kind of like this job sucks, but glad that you had that. And did you wake everybody in the house up running that vacuum at that time in the morning? Have you considered doggy diapers? So we got down to 653 here, trying to bounce a little. I hope you get a chance to close as well there, G. Get you some profit. Uh, John DeFore, how's your trading this morning? Hey, you have the best experience with animals there, Ace. Probably also gonna be looking for a nap at some point today, with being up all night cleaning up dog poop. Ouch, man. Well, we all have days like that, though, G. Little bounce here. Well, John, I mean, he turned down the trade to the Dodgers, and it seems like they didn't have any backup plans. Ouch, that's a big cut. Gee, up, back down. Market bending to Ace's will. I was gonna say 88. I don't think you're gonna get filled there, Ace. 15 minutes from to the bell. 14 minutes till the bell. How are we doing everything else here? Gold kind of stagnant. Ultra Bond has not been able to find footing yet. Crude oil new low a day. Big boom down. Good job, Ace. Ooh, bounce. Did you get out of that with your 2 points? Great job. Well, I know he didn't want to go to LA because they had a deal in place with LA, and he said no. LA was one of his 10 teams. He said he wanted to stay close to his family. But he didn't want to go to the West Coast. He only wanted, something on the East Coast. Well, so what will we see after the bell? Hey, RJ. We will see RJ before the bell. Welcome. So, gonna be interesting to see what we do here at the Open. Both the Asia Open and the European Open, we saw huge moves down based on the fact that the United States' credit rating got downgraded by Fitch yesterday from AAA down to AA plus. So it'll be interesting to see if we have that same gap down at the Open today here for the U.S. Oh wow. I don't do orange juice at all. That is a huge hit to the glucose. Well, you could buy fresh from the store too, Ace. Like in the cartons. You don't need to buy the frozen. They have come out with that, Ace in the last like 40 years. But yeah, I don't do fruit juice at all. Remember, you could, trade frozen orange juice concentrate if you wanted to. I don't think it trades well though. Uh, doesn't come up. It should be here on ice, but I don't see it. Huh, there's OJ, I think. Yeah, there it is. There we go. Orange juice futures. Ooh, looks like it's gonna get a little cheaper. Big move down on orange juice futures. $312? Wow. Yeah, did I say RJ instead of OJ? Close enough. Too many J's. No, I don't know. RJ, OJ. Is there much difference? No, kidding. So we're popping up a little bit. Yeah, I mean the markets seem to be resilient. I think like you could drop a nuclear bomb on Nebraska and the market would only be down for 2 hours and then come back up. Ace is like, I got my 2 points, now entertain me. We're 5 minutes till the bell. 2 for 2 on trades today so far. I'm not again. Guys, might need to hit your live button. Every now and then I'm having a little bit of an internet blip. Doing a little bit of swirling. So hit that live button to get back to the live broadcast. Hey Sid, how you doing? How did your trip go yesterday, Sid? Awesome. So coming up on the bell. And there's the 2 minute warning. So we've been grinding down here now since the A15 news. Each try to pop up and gets beaten back down. See what the market does here at the open. Video gaming license. I didn't know I needed a license to play video games. Darn it. How's Hyrule gonna survive without me? Ding, 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 ding. There's the bell, immediately coming down 10 points. ES coming down a bunch as well. Not a bunch, it's a point. NQ. Down 16 points. ES down a whole half a point. So not a huge gap down yet. So maybe not too much of a reaction to that credit downgrade. I didn't have too much of a reaction to my credit downgrade either. I once had a credit score of 785. Oh, now we go. Now we're down 21 points. Strong move down here. So it just took them a minute to really start selling off. 27, 28. ES is down 3.5. Dow, as usual, going against the grain. There, it's coming up, but it's running into its 100 EMA. NQ down 32 points. ES down 3.25. A little bouncy here. Nope, ES coming down harder now, down 5 points. And bouncing a little bit. ES not bouncing though. And Q got down to 631s, bounced back up to 643. Let's see what everything else is doing. Ultra Bond still dying here. Crude oil. Wow, look at that big move down on crude, making new lows a day. Been coming down now for the last half hour. Gold kind of just there. Copper not doing much either. Agriculture. Ooh, gapping down here. So we are 2 for 2 on the morning, both on micro trades. So we're only up like 72 bucks. I think that's what it was. Let's look. 73.04. there goes ace at the short. That's looking good. 30 seconds to go in this opening 5-minute candle. ES is down 7 points, and Q is down 40 now. So we are seeing a sell-off. Let's see if we see a bounce. I believe Ace got another 2 there at least. And the Dow just went red as well. Down 44 points now on NQ. So that opening 5-minute candle finished down to 42 points, and we're still heading down. Oh, wow, nice. So you're about 5 points for Ace. It's just falling like a rock. This is what I expected. I didn't play it, but this is what I expected because of that credit rating downgrade. Down to 605 on NQ. ES is down to 45.59. A bit of a bounce. Back up to 21 from 05, so the 17-point bounce, 16-point bounce. ES bouncing a bit as well. Got down to 58.50, back up to 60.50. Nice. About 5 points there, Ace. 5, 6 points. Back down. Excellent, Ace. So if my math is right, 5 plus 2, you're up 7 points on the day. NQ's trying to break 15,600 here. Low at day, or low of the overnight, got down to 590. ES got down to 45.52. There's a break of 600, still falling fast. ES still hanging around 45.59. Dow just under 35.600. So this is what I kind of expected, and I kind of regret not taking it. New low a day on NQ. So since the open, I can do this. We're down 70 points on NQ. On ES, we are down 7.5. Yep, there's ES bouncing a bit up to 45.61. I could call that out, Ace. As usual. NQ back up to 15,600. So bounce there as well. Dow's like, I'm still green, guys. Where you been? 30 seconds to go in this 5-minute candle. Yeah, it's a hard decision, Ace. One I've been wrestling with is, trying to figure out where the proper place to get out and all that. Hey, Philip, how you doing? Every time I see Philip, I think to check the Russell. The Russell's come down some and now bouncing back up. Agriculture's still falling. Would have been a nice play there off that purple candle. And back down to 15,600 here in NQ. Just waiting for an entry. Seeing if this wants to bounce at all. Right now it's still just kind of grinding down-ish. Ish. Ultra bond still coming down. Crude, wow, still coming down. I was trying to bounce some there, but another new low a day. Dow looking strong there. It's a 5-minute, that's a 15-minute candle. It's up 58 points. There's a bouncy bounce. Green candle on the NQ. 2.5 minutes on it. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I was gonna say, how can you be not profitable and fun? Oh yeah, that was a big bounce there on ES. Excellent job, G. Hope you had like 1,000 contracts. Yeah, good ES looking all strong now. And keep bouncing back up. Yay! Didn't want it to see you go without lunch. I would have had to send you a banana or something. Blue candle here. strong candle. Oh, blue candle went away here. Actually went to red and now purple on the 1. Interesting. Thought about taking that quick short, but I think I'm glad I didn't. Ooh, UB actually trying to pop up here. Yep. On both the 15 and the 5. We'll watch that. We might take a trade on the UB. On my, what you call it account? Apex. That's it. Apex. See where that goes. Trying for another blue candle here on the NQ. Gee, I just hit like on your tweet. Tweet. Tweedledee. Oh, getting beaten back down here. NQ just can't get a runner back up. ES is actually sending me a purple candle back down. See where that ends up. We might take an ES trade. For kicks and giggles. Back up. Flirting back with being green. No, back to purple. It can't decide what it wants to do. For anyone trading crude oil, remember you got inventories in 45 minutes or so. Yup, this is the land of the Lincoln. Yeah, I've made 2 good trades I made, and see the market move down pretty significantly. Yeah. One minute on this candle. It's trying to decide if it wants to be a purple candle or not. Ace. He's kidding, I'm at. We didn't really do that. Yeah. And that purple candle went out. Now we got a blue candle on the NQ. We're long, I think. That was a mistake. I could tell already. Didn't realize it was hitting right on that 20 EMA on the 1. We'll see what we can see. No, right back down. So he stopped right out. It was a setup that I like, but it just wasn't time for it yet, I guess. ES coming back down again. So Ultravon did end up sending a trigger candle there, but eh, eh, eh. Watch it. Continue to watch on the 15. So far, this isn't what I like. So it just told me strong move back down 22 points. ES down to 45.63. Wait, he kicked you out of the remains? Is that what I'm understanding? Back under 15,600 here at NQ. Yes, we are. Nice, I'm at. Excellent. Ninety seconds on this 5-minute candle. Sounds like a winner. So it looks like this is going away here with a minute to go. Watching the purple. Yeah, market's definitely bearish. Thought it might pop up there for a quick minute, but it did not. Oh, oh, there we go. Strong candle back down on NQ down to 15,590. Yesterday at 45.62. Got down to 58 earlier. NQ now down to, darn it. And YM's falling now as well. Down to 581. Wow. Well, I don't have a spouse, but you can come over for a barbecue anytime you want. You need to do the barbecuing though, and you need to like bring the barbecue grill and all that. We have talked about having a MightyOxTrading meetup at some point in the future. I did take a short on ES on my Apex account. It's not working out. Yeah, I don't even have a passport. So ES is gonna beat me senseless here, looks like. My ES trade. Said. So I'm gonna take a stop out here. Kind of sucks. And there it is. Dang it. Time I make progress on that Apex account. Well, that doesn't really matter. It just took me out for the loss. It top ticked me so far. It hit my exact top. Top of the hour coming up. Yeah, I believe RJ is IMAD. Ace. Ace is skeptical. Coming back down. So, yeah, how nice. That stopped me out and then came back down to my entry. Yeah, NG dying. Crude was dying too, trying to bounce a little bit. Gold coming down to its low a day. Ultra still dying. Bounce there on soybeans. That'd been nice. Another purple candle there on ES. It burned me once. Came right up to my stop. Did not go another tick above it, and then coming back down. That frustrated me. Dow big move down. This would have been my entry on the Dow. Oops, wrong candle. Boom, that one there. A nice move down. I'm not going to separate you two, am I? You guys are just having fun and like not actually getting snippy with one another. Y'all scare me. I'm kind of stagnant right now. So yes, it's back down to my entry, which was very nice of it. Can't believe it. Top tick, stop out, and then back down. Brushed right. And should have went one tick more at the stop. The only thing I'll say on the subject, um, part of me really, really doubts that we're alone in this universe. U.S. government initiates investigation into $9 trillion asset manager BlackRock over Chinese investments. Ooh, here we go. Here's a fall. So if that had not top ticked me, I would be 2 points in the profit. But whatever. Gold new low a day. A nice quick gold trade there. There's that break below 590. I'm at. Still upset that that trade stopped me out and then went. Yes, you did, I'm mad. I wish I had been one more tick. My stop was one more tick higher. Guys, do I need to change my rules from no talking about politics and religion to no talking about politics, religion, or aliens? Let's not say we did. Nothing can destroy a community in a room faster than talking about politics. Yeah, well, I got stopped out on a short, and then it went. And I'm upset about that. Lucy. There was a few of those, Mr. G. Are you talking about G-Man? No, he has not returned. Of course, he's banned, so he can't return. I think I banned him. I don't remember. Pretty sure I banned him. See, at least you all missed trades. I took one that I got stopped out on, and then it went. I don't know, G. There was a few over the last few months. Actually, it's been kind of calm the last few months. Just prior to that though, I probably banned them. See, Sid, that's why I'm not married. Well, that and the fact that I'm like ugly and disgusting and all that fun stuff. That's so sweet. Meanwhile, I'm crying here because this trade would have been really, really good. Yeah, I do too, G. So NQ's dropping like a rock, ES dropping like a rock. ES is hitting that low that it hit on Thursday, and Q is as well. See if that's support area. Beautiful, Ahmed. Awesome. Looks like a fun time. Driving the car up there, Sid, or are you hauling it? Great. You're killing it today, Ahmed. So where are you now in your Top Step account? I'm assuming that's what you're trading. I would be so nervous driving it, like someone would hit the car. Well, depends if they're causing Lyme disease, RJ, or any other tick-borne illness. I'm glad you're having a good day. Still upset about that short. Myself. Dow giving me a purple candle here. Do I want to play with the Dow? Maybe. I mean, I'm thinking down, RJ, based on what I'm seeing. I'm getting a purple candle there. It's almost at my 20 range here. 25. This would be a short entry for me. And Q's bouncing here though, slightly. Yeah, we are at a huge support level on NQ and ES. I haven't looked at the Dow for support. Still got a little ways to go. Wow, so we are at the lowest point of the Dow, except for this candle back here on last Wednesday. I think that's last Wednesday. Wait. No, I'm on the hourly candle. Never mind. Duh. Thought it hit daily chart. Never mind. So yeah, a little bit of move down yet, maybe to 465. Kind of like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. And Q's bouncing back up. Hesitated on the Dow trade. Should have taken it. Mad at myself. Didn't just Started talking myself out of that. It's only down 5 points, so fine. Now I shorted it. Let's see what happens. I mean, just 4 points late. Absolutely ace. Here we are nearing 10:30. Yeah, I'm starting to regret this trade. Let's see what happens here. Yep, really starting to question it now. And Q trying to fight up. No, no, it has not yet. It's getting beaten back down. Oh, sorry guys. I thought I showed my chart. There's my trade. In at 35,520 on the Dow. It's back to my entry. Folks, most people have to pay extra for the comical team of Ace and RJ, but you get it here free on MightyOxTrading. MightyOxTrading featuring Ace and RJ. RJ, I think I want my money back on this trade. Yes. I'm in at 35,520. But it's popping up. Keeps getting beaten down. It just gets up to 35,525, beaten back down. I was going to take the NQ long, and I should have. See, one thing I hate about trading on the NinjaTrader is it blocks out half the trading view screen for you guys. Good job, Sid. No, not yet, RJ. Actually, I started off this whole trading thing with Hike and Ashy. At that time, I couldn't figure out why the candles never looked at the right price, and I was so confused. Yeah, it's getting beaten back down again. My entry seems to be acting as support. We're at 1030, so we're going to see a 1030 reversal. NQ coming back down. Back down to 15,546. Hey, Burl. Purple candle here on NQ. Why I am not agreeing with the down movement of the other two, of course. They seem to be going in the opposite direction of the other two. So I guess I should have gotten out. Dow decided. This is why I don't trade the Dow. Every time I try to trade the Dow, it doesn't do what I want it to do. A very bad day on the Apex account. I actually thought I was going to pass this account, and once again, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. So there we go, blue candle there on the NQ. Yeah, I hesitated getting in on this Dow trade, and it's like I should have went with my first, first feeling. Kind of choppy though. Maybe it'll still come down for me. It's retreating away from my stop. I think if I get back down toward my entry, I might just get out. But yeah, see, the problem is when it gets back down toward my entry, then I'm thinking, hey, it's got momentum in the direction I was thinking originally. Well, I didn't realize it got within a tick of my stop on this candle. Or point in my stop. Why always confuses me the fact that there's really no, the tick and the point is the same thing. Hey, Juan. Thank you. Appreciate that. Welcome. Fighting here around 35,540. The NQ looking like it wants to try and come down with that purple candle, but so far, 40 seconds on this 5-minute candle. Had a steam for the Dow heading toward my stop. New candle. Be nice if people would come in this. Someone wants to go short about 1,000 YM contracts. I'd appreciate that. Come on, push it down. Push it down. Wow. Hey. So, question is, do I get out if it gets back down to my entry, or do I see if it pushes down further from here? Yes, with the purple candle down. I mean, NQ with the purple candle. Thoughts, RJ? Out? Should I get out here, or think it's gonna move down further? It's literally bopping its head on my entry. Purple candle now, so I'm gonna stay in. Might be stupid. At least until RJ tells me I'm stupid. Low of this candle earlier, 5 candles ago, it's 507. I wouldn't mind getting back down there. I would take that as a profit. That'd be 13 points, 65 bucks. It would not be a one-to-one risk to reward by any means. There we go. I mentally give up on trades too soon sometimes. Although, where did we just get to on that? Got down to 09. Back up to my entry. There's 07. There's a breakdown. Boom. There's 500. Yep, bouncing off 500. It hit 501, but not hit 500. Close enough. I'm just going to take it off the table. It ended up being a 5-point win, so 25 bucks. Probably should have stayed in looking at it, but I don't know. It's back above my entry, so I'll take that. Small, very small win. That went one tick from my stop at one point, or 1 point, whatever you want to say at the Dow. S was then but ended up giving me a small win. And you can see it's coming back down now. It's back to where I got out. Thank you, Sid. All in all, it's just another Dow in the wall. Now NQ starts to fall again. About 15 minutes ago in the stream. So took one loss on Apex, took one win on Apex, 2 wins on the Blue Sky, both of micros. Yes, send me a purple candle there. That would have worked. Actually, all of ES's purple candles today would have worked. And technically, this NQ purple candle would have worked too. You can see, but I would have needed a 30-point stop. Ooh, wow. Gold just dropped like a, wait for it, rock. Ultra bond still falling. Ultra bond, like I said, is at the lowest level it's been since last November. That might even be different now. Let's see. Turn back time. Boop, 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 boop. Nope, yep. November 10th still. So that whole credit downgrade, ooh, look at copper also falling, is affecting the markets. How long it'll affect the markets, we'll have to see. Crude oil, wow, look at that. Oh yeah, crude oil inventories, totally forgot about those. It's a nice syringe candle. Russell's continuing to fall as well. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture is kind of flat. Came down at the open, popped back up sideways now. Soybean oil had a nice rise, but then a quick fall. Ultra bond trying to pop up here though. And Q continuing to fall down toward 15,500, so you can see, and ES continuing to fall down to 45.47. It broke the resistance or support from at least on ES from last Thursday. We are now lower than we've been on ES since July 18th. And Q still trying to get through that Thursday support. It's close though. Dow's trying to break back through that 500 area. I really did, with the news that came out, with that credit downgrade, I really did think about shorting just at the open and seeing what happens. But the move up overnight, kind of scared me off of that idea. But since the open, well, actually, basically since we got that 7:15 or 8:15, sorry, 8:15 Eastern news, we've dropped about 150 points on the NQ. Still upset that that I got stopped out on that short on ES. Looking at my charts, I should have just gave it more room. It was nicely below that line there on the RTI. It was below the EMA. I mean, yeah, it's my strategy to put the stop at the top of that candle, but still. One more tick above would have been good. How did everybody? Yeah, easy for me to say. How did everybody else do today? Excuse me. Yeah, back down to that 500 that it couldn't break through earlier. It's breaking through down to 493. I should have stayed in that original trade. Oh, another bounce there back up to 500 on Dow. Everything bounced a little bit there. And back down. And Q trying to get down to 15,500 as well. 500 seems to be the magic number right now. 45.45 for ES. Down to 45.44 on ES. Just a beautiful fall. One day I want to be able to catch like a a good portion of a huge fall like this. About 5 minutes left to go in the stream. So we had two nice wins on Blue Sky. One win, one loss on Apex. I still need to do some work on Apex because I either need to pass or cancel by Friday. The end of Friday. I don't want to pay for another month. Honestly, I can't afford to. Walmart. Oh, we're not playing word association. Great job, RJ. Great call. There's NQ trying to touch 500. Mad at myself I didn't stay in that trade. It gave me a purple candle and I didn't go with the conviction of it. There's a break of 500. Continuing to just bleed out here. NQ. Gold's bouncing there a little bit. Ultravon still falling. So the bonds and the indices are going the same direction, which is an unusual thing. Crude also falling. Everything's falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Holy crap. Futures Trader 71 and Anthony Crudell just retweeted Earn the Trade's futures radio show. Earn the Trade getting some call outs from big futures names. You're welcome, RJ. Thank you. Great calls today. I wish I had stayed in or gotten back in when you said short. I always hesitate to get back in after I've gotten out. I got something else I got to work at. He's just promoting Earn the Trade. He tweeted out, new traders, here's your chance to kickstart your journey into trading futures. Join us this Wednesday on Futures Radio Show for a shot at winning 1 out of 5 Earn the Trade TCP funding assessments. I guess him, the Earn the Trade guy, and Futures Trader 71 is all going to be on this show talking about futures and giving away 5 Earn the Trade accounts. So he's promoting Earn the Trade. I've never seen it before. Everything's still continuing to fall here. ES down to 45.40. Dow down to 35.458. NQ down to 15.490. Russell's down to 1969. Good year. Crude oil down below 80, down to 79.48. Natural gas is absolutely dying. Ultrabound down to 128.09. Gold 1972. Another good year. Wasn't born yet, but so yeah, that down day was what I expected. I wish I'd just gone short and went with it, like from the start of the day. Yeah, I was surprised too. I think they're just gonna be talking about futures on this show, but the one guy, the face of Earn the Trade that does all their YouTube stuff is gonna be on this show. So it's gonna be interesting. It's on August 2nd, so that's tomorrow. That's today. I just realized that's today. Yeah, that's coming up later today at noon Eastern. Anywho, we've reached the top of the hour, so I want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, and we shall see you then. Thank you all for joining me today. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.